Hey everybody, this is James Bishop with Ding Stinger Asset Protection Systems. This is a short presentation on how you can bind your repairs and or installations of products onto your customers' insurance policies, which is very important. When you do as an example, if you do windshield protection like my business does, customers already have glass policies in place with their insurance company. So this is a way that you can take pictures and upload a document with our mobile version of our software that you can send to your customer. If you do paint protection films and you do, $4,000 to $7,000 installations on vehicles, this is a way that you add that to the policy so that people have that. Vinyl wraps, suspension upgrades, tires and wheels, van conversions, these are all products, and many different other products, is that you would basically use this to send to your customer so that they can do a vehicle condition report, but also add the addition that you did or record the repair that was done to the vehicle and be able to upload the receipts from the repair to their insurance agents, insurance companies, so that it's added to their policy. This is a white label product, so you do have the ability to license this software and put your logos on it. So it's a good customer contact that makes it very simple. With the Ding Guy is a business that I own in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and our manager understands that with these condition reports being sent to our clients, insurance providers, when we complete repairs, we are gaining valuable impressions on insurance carriers who see that we are protecting our clients' interests, and it gets us business, which means insurance companies locally are seeing us send these reports to the customers to make sure that they're covered with the repairs being completed. So it resets the policy. So this is important if you're combining products or you're just verifying repairs for a customer. This can be a big benefit for your customer. This is cutting edge AI technology. So along with the non-native app that it does generate, it points it creates touch points for your customers, so it creates better customer retention. The customers see that you're adding a value to their service. Adding to an insurance policy can be a massive help, because if there's ever a claim on the vehicle and there's things that are not documented that were done to the vehicle, it can make the claims process a huge hassle. I've been doing repairs on cars for 31 years, and I see how insurance companies handle claims that come up, and it's something that you want to make sure that your customers are covered completely for the products that you've installed, because if something happens to that product, you want the customer to be able to afford to be able to come back and get that replaced or repaired. So we have body shops that are using our check-in feature of the Ding Stinger Asset Protections, which is just basically doing a vehicle condition report. There's people who are very thankful for the Ding Stinger software, because it saves awkward conversations with customers that might blame you for damage that happened in your shop. If you do document a vehicle's condition before it goes in your shop, that's going to help tremendously. So the vehicle condition reports that this system creates can be shared with anyone, anytime, for any reason. This is the mobile app itself. This is what it looks like on the device. So you can add a user, you can upload documents, you can have a list of vehicles that are in your household or in your business if you have a fleet. There is an instructional section that are videos that give you basic car maintenance tips, how to change your oil, how to check your wipers, and with a link directly back to your website, and then an easy way for the customers to contact you. We are also currently adding an item button, which means that if there are expensive items besides the vehicle, expensive stereo system, or like a windshield repair kit, or a paint protection film kit, you want to make sure that you let your insurance company know that that has been done, and it'll help keep your policies current so that your coverages are correct. Receipts can be added to any vehicle condition report or any item report, so that if there's been any maintenance done, if there's any receipts that need to be made for that vehicle, then it'll be easy for you to do with this system. This is a vehicle condition report. This is what it looks like as a digital copy that could be shared with anyone, so that you have basically current pictures, time, date stamped, mileage, insurance information. It asks quite a few questions that are just easy switches to throw, that ask if you have weather damage. Do you have hail damage on your car? Do you have scratches? Do you have rock chips? If there's any trouble lights on the car. So it gives you a good indication of the client's vehicle. And it also is good for the clients to be able to do these condition reports to send to their insurance companies. This is the document upload section, where any document that you have, if you receive in an email or if you want to take a picture of it and you want to save it on your device, it's easy to upload into this system so that everything's together. So on a vehicle, it basically, you can add all your oil changes, all your maintenance, brakes when you get them done, that kind of thing, so that when you do go to trade in your car, this will literally make the client's car usually worth up to 10% more in value, just because there's documentation of everything that's ever been done to the vehicle, which can be a very, very big benefit. It's easy to introduce clients to this software because really all you have to do is ask them, when was the last time your insurance company asked you for photographic evidence of the condition of anything that they insure, which that is a gap within the industry that we've identified, that's what this system is about. It's basically making sure that you're documented and you know everything about your vehicle that's going to be in there. The Ding Stinger APS brands customer condition reporting app is only $20 to do for a single app when they use the system from our landing page. Or if you set it up and white label it, you can license this and have your logos put into the system so that when customers receive it, it comes from you. So it does help brand that system. So if you have any questions about Ding Stinger Asset Protection Systems, please give us a call at 1-800-DING-GUY. That's 1-800-346-4489, or thedingstinger@gmail.com.